Hello my dear friends. Today in my video I will give you a quick concept review of subtraction and addition. So come let's see. Addition. Addition is an operation that finds the total number when two or more numbers are put together. It is the process to find the sum of two or more numbers. Seven plus 3 is equal to 10. Here 7 is called addend, 3 is also called addend and 10 is called sum. Number A, putting together. Here 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Here we combine the two collection and find the total. B, addition without regrouping. 2 plus 6 plus 7. First you have to add 2 and 6. Then finally add 7 to the sum. You can see in the solution. First we have to add first two number, that is 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Then with 8 we will add the third number, that is 7. The solution becomes 15. C, addition with regrouping. Here 16 plus 27. 16 can be written as 110 plus 6 1. And 27 can be written as 210 plus 7 ones. So, the total of 1 plus 2, 10 is 3 tens. And the total of 6 plus 7 ones is 13 ones. So, 13 can be written as 110 and 3 ones. The solution becomes 16 plus 27 is equal to 3 plus 1 tens, that is 4 tens, plus 3 ones is equal to 43. D, addition with carryover method. 39 plus 46 is 85. So in the first step, add 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Write 5 in ones and carry over 1 to the tens place. In the second step, now add 1 plus 3 plus 4. Answer becomes 8. So, the sum of 39 and 46 is 85. Subtraction in an arithmetic operation in which the difference between two numbers is calculated. Larger minus smaller is equal to difference. Here subtraction without regrouping. 37 minus 14. 37 can be written as 310 plus 7 1. And 14 can be written as 110 plus 4 1. Here the solution is 4 is smaller than 7. So the value becomes 3 1. And here 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 tens. So in this first step, subtract 1. And in the second step, subtract tens. So, the answer becomes 37 minus 14 is equal to 23. Addition with regrouping with carryover method. 36 minus 19. 36 can be written as 310 plus 6 1. And 19 can be written as 110 plus 9 ones. Here 9 is greater than 6, so So here we will write 310 plus 61 is converted into 210 plus 16 ones. So the solution becomes 16 minus 9 is equal to 71 and 2 minus 1 is 110. So our answer becomes 36 minus 19 is equal to 110 plus 71 is equal to 17. Mental arithmetic, the process in which arithmetic calculations are performed in the mind without writing figures down or using a calculator is known as mental arithmetic. First one, add 10 and 30. You can do addition by skip counting on fingers starting from 10. We can count like this: 20 plus 30 plus 40. The solution becomes 40. So 10 plus 30 is equal to 40. Add 23 and 32. First add ones digit of 31, 32, which is 2 to 23. It will become 25 and then skip counting 3 times of tens digit. So you can count like this: 35 plus 45, 35, 45, 55. 3-step counting. So the answer becomes 55. 23 plus 32 is equal to 55. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for more updates of my videos.